take it from me, a person with spirits doesn't stab people. Onye nwe mmụọ adịrị ama mmadụ mma. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you're in danger of ebe knives are coming out and you know what I'm saying, you can stab or get stabbed, know that you are in danger of facing a fate that is reserved for fakers. A fate where you are either killed and lose your life, right? Or you kill and still lose your life. You have too much backing to be worried. One with ezumezu is majority. You are an more wearing human skin. An onyembu with several ndiegede. Obinagu ndimbu na ndiegede. Like water people, alusi. Maalusi ben nagi maalusi kun negi depending on you kun ni bobatan, right? And even maybe ones from previous incarnations, right? And you know what I'm saying? Other ancestors as well. Then you fuck around and marry and you double your ezumezu. Then you fuck around and give birth and you add another bunch of supernatural entities to your order. One with ezumezu is majority. So make it make sense that you are about to sacrifice your life, throw your life away, throw this incarnation away, spend your full time in prison to show an Akogoli nigga. You might show niggas. You want to show an Akogoli nigga that was sent to test your level of growth, your level of development. The only thing you should do to an Akogo nigga is beg him not to be a temptation for you. Then go and report him to your Alosi and watch him more, remove him from your spiritual petri dish. Thanks for streaming Ole's music. I've got new music on the way soon. Yeah, and hit me up if you've got Igbo spirituality questions. Bless.